Hello! Welcome to this short demonstration of Elexifier. Elexifier enables us to convert a custom PDF or XML dictionary into the eLex 0 compliant XML file, which is a standard format required for integration into the Elexis infrastructure. Today, we are going to convert an XML file, a sample of a Slovene resource. This is the front page of Elexifier. Before we use it, we have to log in. We can either create an account or use the Sketch Engine credentials. Once we log in, we see our workspace. First, we choose the input file format. In our case, it's the XML. Then we click Upload a dictionary. In the pop-up window, we choose a dictionary from our computer. We enter the metadata for the resource. And under the section Create a transformation, we enter the basic parameters for the transformation. These are entry, which is quite simply the XML element denoting entries in our original file, and headword, which is an element denoting headwords. Then we type in whichever name we choose for our output file. We click Create. Once the file is uploaded, we see our resource here under the Dictionaries section. In the next vertical section, the various transformations of the same resource are listed. In the center of the screen, we see the preview pane. The upper part shows the original, that is the input entry, while the lower part shows the result, how the transformed entry will look like. Now let's enter the editing mode, where we edit and add the elements we want to convert. We have already defined the entry and the headword elements, and here we see the headwords. In the right-hand vertical section, we have the core element definition pane. This is where we define all the elements we want to transform. Let's say that besides the entry and the headword, we would like to have in our transformation the sense, the definition, and the part of speech elements. Sense is an obligatory element, and it's already on the list. We define it by typing in the corresponding element from the original file. As we type, we see that Elexifier provides suggestions. We click Update and see the result. To make the preview of the output more readable, it is possible to check the strip namespaces and/or strip dictscrap checkboxes. Let's proceed with defining the definition. We do this by clicking Add Core Elements. From the drop-down menu, we select Definition. We then type in the input tag corresponding to a definition. We click Update. The definition is now added. The last element we would like to convert is the part of speech element. This one is unique among core elements because it requires an additional step, mapping to the universal dependencies part of speech tags. First, we add the element and define it as usual. Each unique value found in the part of speech element of the original XML file is automatically uploaded. By clicking the arrow next to each part of speech tag, we select its corresponding universal dependencies tag. Click Update. This is it. If you're happy with the preview, exit the Edit Transformation mode and click Download. In the window that appears, you can select to download the dictionary with or without namespaces. With Elexifier's help, it is that simple to produce a TEI-compliant XML dictionary.